Heatmaps are powerful analytics tools that help you understand which areas of your website your visitors interact with the most and the least. They tell you where your visitors click, how far they scroll, what they look at, or what they ignore. As an example, we've created a heat map for the homepage of the Visitor Analytics website. Of course, you can create a heat map for any of the pages on your own website. What we can see here is a mouse movement heat map. We can observe that a lot of visitors are interested in trying out a free trial of Visitor Analytics, changing the language of the website, or logging into the app. As we scroll down to the bottom of the heat map, we see that the interest of the visitors is diminishing in the lower parts. However, the social media links at the very bottom still show some interaction. You can also view a click heat map in which you can see where the visitors actually clicked on your page. Even the creation of a scroll heat map is possible, which shows you how far down visitors are scrolling on a page. In our example, we can see that the visitors mostly interact with the first or upper part of the page. We also notice a more granular view of the data by clicking on View Data. Of course, your website probably has different layouts for mobile or tablet, so we automatically differentiate a heat map for each device type. To see which of your users generated the data from your heat maps, go to the World view. Creating a new heat map for a page on your website is dead easy. In the main view, click on Create Heat Map. There are two types of heat maps that can be created: heat maps for simple pages or heat maps for multiple pages, sharing similar layouts. In our example, we create a heat map for a specific page. Add a name to your heat map. Select the number of page views it should record. Select the page you want to analyze. Lastly, click on Create. Your heat map is now collecting data. Wait for visitors to interact with the page, or try to generate the first set of data yourself by browsing the analyzed page and interacting with it a little. Make sure you close the browser tab when you are done so that the data is transferred to the heat map. Make use of heat maps to learn how visitors browse your website and drastically improve your website's user experience. Thank you for watching.